Ibrahim from Pakistan.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam.
So I plan to put a Quran audio in my car. Basically, the audio will have a reciter recite few verses in Arabic, and then a guy will say the Urdu translation. The problem is that the Urdu translator reads the Deobandi translation, as most of the Urdu translating audios are made by Deobandis. So can I use it?
The answer is no. It is not permissible for you to listen to a translation of the meanings of the noble Quran that does not coincide with Ahlus Sunnati wal Jama'ah. Because we know that these people follow the Ash'ari Maturidi Aqidah, and they manipulate and disregard Allah's beautiful attributes except for 7. But all other attributes, they change the meaning and misinterpret it and simulate it differently to what the Prophet ﷺ and his companions had taught us. So no, you should not listen to that. Look for some other tafsir or translation that is according to Ahl Sunnati wal Jama'ah. Sahih International in English. I think they may have a copy in Urdu. I don't know about that. You have to look into it.